Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin wa bihi nasta'inu ala umuri dunya waddin. Wassalatu wassalamu ala asrofil anbiya'i wal mursalin sayyidina wa maulana Muhammadin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in, amma ba'd. The Honorable Mrs. Eni Yulianti, Mr. Science as my supervisor of this research, Excellency Mr. Ahmad Ganaim Fasha, Magister Science as my first examiner, the Honorable Mrs. Lilik Miftahul Khairah, Magister Science as my second examiner, and welcome all of participants of this proposal seminar present today. In these beautiful occasions, I am Siti Fauzia will present my proposal research by the title is Antioxidant Activity Test and Morphological Characterizations of Hydrogel Formulations of Moringa oleivera leaves. There are 4 points for my presentations. The first is research background. Second, literature review. The third is aim and scope of research, and the last is research method. My research from Al-Quran Surah Al-An'am, verse 99. A'udhu billahi minasyaitanir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wa huwallazi anzala minas samaa'i maa'a fa akhrajna bihi nabata kulli syai'in fa akhrajna minhu khadiran nud'riju minhu habban mutarakiba. From this ayah, it's meant that Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala grows various plants from seeds and have many properties that can be used by human. So that is become proof of God's greatness and muhasabah to remember Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala as the creator. The next is background of the research. There are highly reactive chemicals that have a single unpaired electron in their outlet orbit under certain conditions can be highly toxic to the cell. Source of free radical from ionizing radiations, air pollution, UV light, inflammation, metabolism, and smoking. The free radical in the environment that have a negative impact on heart. So we need antioxidant that can boost our immune system that used to help guard against skin deterioration. Antioxidant neutral substance can make and genetic material by oxidation. The plants that have antioxidant is Moringa oleivera. Moringa oleivera leaves as the number 1 superfood that contains high antioxidant. We must make a formulations of Moringa oleivera so that easy to apply and can provide instant moisturizer. Hydrogel is a hydrophilic polymer material that has the ability to swell in water. The hydrogel provides a cooling effect due to the evaporations of the solvent. Based on the research of Jamila 2021, the ultrasonic extraction method of Moringa oleivera leaves with a 20 minutes using ethanol 70% solvent are the most effective compositions, with the yield is 24.35%. Then, the spectrophotometric method using DPPH is a simple, easy, sensitive, and time-effective. The next, the advantage of gel preparations are clear, elegant appearance, elastic, easy to wash with water, good medicine release, and good dispersions on the skin. My previous research about extraction method from several journals showed that the sonication extraction with ethanol solvent give the best result. The aim of the research. The first, to determine the effect of variations in the concentrations of Moringa leaf extract on the antioxidant activity of Moringa leaf hydrogel using DPPH method. The second, to determine the effect of variations in the concentrations of Moringa leaf extract on the morphological analysis of Moringa leaf gel using SEM, scanning electron microscope. Then the scope of the research. The first, the sample used is Moringa leaf powder. Second, ultrasonic extraction with ethanol as solvent. The third, the antioxidant activity test used the DBPH method. The fourth, phytochemicals tests are alkaloid, flavonoid, saponin, tannin, and triterpenoid. The fifth, the variations of extract in the hydrogel formulations is 0, 10, 20, 30, and 40%. And the last is characterizations of Moringa oleivera as swelling test and morphological analysis using scanning electron microscope. Then the research method. This research, inshallah, was held on March until April 2022 at the Physical Chemistry Research Laboratory State Islamic University Maulana Malik Ibrahim Malang and Central Laboratory of State University Malang. The step of the research: the first, sample preparations, then sonication extraction, analysis phytochemistry, then hydrogel formulations with the test antioxidant, then characterizations with swelling test and surface morphology with SEM, and the last is data analysis. The first step is ultrasonic. The Moringa leaf powder has weighed and added ethanol, then placed into a sonication device with a frequency 42 kHz for 20 minutes. The filtered with paper and concentrated with a rotary evaporator. After that, the extract was weighed and the yield was calculated. The phytochemical test consists of alkaloid, flavonoid, tannin, saponin, steroid, triterpenoid that showed in the slide. Then hydrogel formulation. The standard of gel formula based on CMC-Na requires polymer in the gel compositions, including gelling agent, neutralizing agent, humectant, as well as synthetic and semi-synthetic material such as glycerin, propyl glycol, and aqueous. The requirement for an ideal hydrogel in hydrogel formulation include: first, high absorption capacity, particle size and porosity, cheap, high durability and stability in a swelling environment during storage, then high biodegradability without the formation of toxin, the sixth, colorless and non-toxic, seventh, stable to light, and the last, hydrogel is able to restore and absorb solution when drying. The fourth is antioxidant test. The first step is preparations of the BBH solution, then determination of the maximum wavelength of BBH. The third, making blank solution. The next step is preparations of Moringa oleivera gel. Next is making a vitamin C comparisons, and the last is make an inhibition concentration measurement. The next step is morphological analysis of Moringa hydrogel using scanning electron microscope. The dry hydrogel was immersed in distilling water until it swelled to a maximum. Then, dry it using a freeze dryer. The next sample is put into a special room and then irradiated. The sample emits secondary electron and the bunch electron are detected by a detector center and amplified with a CTR image. The research from Ahmed showed that the Moringa oleivera gel exhibited a smooth and compact surface. These pores are the regions for water permeations and interaction site of external stimuli with a hydroponic groups. The next research from Hasibuan 2020. The micrograph shows that the surface of the hydrogel looks neater and smoother because the extract has been evenly distributed through the hydrogel network. Okay, I think this is enough for me. If there are mistakes, I'm so sorry to you all. Thanks for your nice attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.